Hey everybody. So in this video, I want to take a look at what happened with gold today after we got some big economic numbers. Now, the jobless claims numbers came out at 226,000. That was actually a much lower number than expected. Now, in terms of jobless claims, to understand it completely, jobless claims are how many people are filing for unemployment. So the lower the number, the stronger the general economy would be assumed to be. After 3 prior weeks at above 260,000, to drop to 226 is showing relative strength in the economy. You combine that with a revised GDP number that was 2%, much better than expected. You have a recipe here for a Federal Reserve that is going to be hiking next meeting, which is in late July, and likely will be at least hiking one more time the remainder of the year. Now, if we take a look at the charts, I want to show you the gold chart here, guys. This is a big one. So look at the gold chart and look at what initially happened. In fact, let's flip over to the 10-minute chart. After that economic data, we saw a flush here on gold and then a full reversal. When you see this in the charts and you get a full reversal, that is very, very bullish. It means that big money was scooping up the panic sellers here and they were driving it up. Now, notice how you're consolidating. That's what we would refer to as bullish consolidation. So if we go to the gold daily chart, we can also see that there was a pivot high here connected to this point, and this was the target that I gave. I said, you have to retrace to the scene of the crime. The scene of the crime here, we have a pivot high, breakout, return to the scene of the crime would be returning to that same trend line, and that's where you look for buyers to come in. What happens today, folks? Buyers come in. This, to me, if you ask me, I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is probably the near-term low on gold. The next move will be up and retesting that triple top high. And I do think by year end, and here's your triple top high, guys. Look at that. 1, 2, and 3. By the end of this year, we will be above this line, maybe even significantly. I think this is, again, the beginning of the next bull move in gold. So that's your gold analysis. Really interesting price action today. I do hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And I, of course, will talk to you soon. Take care.